Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anjali. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. My today's subject is Applied Mathematics, and topics are as mentioned in the PPT about curvature and its applications, and also about radius of curvature and its applications. Let us move about what is meant by curvature. Curvature refers to how much a geometric object deviates from being flat or straight. The measure of the amount of curving, and also for the degree by which a nonlinear or surface curves. Let us move about briefly. Curvature is a measure of how much a curve deviates from being a straight line or a flat surface. It quantifies the amount by which a curve or surface bends at a given point. In essence, it describes how quickly the direction of a curve is changing at a particular point. In the figure we can see radius of curvature, center of curvature, and also a imaginary circle completing the curve. Let us move about applications of curvature. It has many applications like in physics and engineering, computer graphics, mathematics, robotics, economics, and finance. Let's study about in physics and engineering. Curvature is a crucial in lens design for optical systems. In mechanics, studying curvature helps in analyzing the behavior of materials under stress. In vehicle dynamics, curvature is used in understanding and designing vehicle trajectories. And the second one is in computer graphics and animation. Curvature is employed in creating realistic and smooth animations. It contributes to the generation of 3D models with natural looking surfaces. In mathematics, curvature is a fundamental concept in differential geometry and topology. It plays a role in study of curves and surfaces. And also we know in our mathematics, curvature formula is k is equal to d psi by dx, and we always take sign for k is positive. Angle between tangent p and x axis are also given by sin psi is equal to dy by ds, and cos psi is equal to dx by ds, and tan psi is equal to dy by dx. Let us see about in robotics. Curvature aids in path planning and control algorithms for robotic systems. It is essential in designing robot arms and joints for efficient movement. And the last one is economics and finance. Curvature concepts are applied in financial mathematics to model the volatility of financial instrument. Let us study about now. Second topic is radius of curvature. The radius of curvature is measure of how tightly a curve or surface is bent at a particular point. It is defined as the radius of the circle that best approximates the curve or surface at that point. In other words, it quantifies how much the curve deviates from being a straight line, or a surface deviates from being flat at a specific location. And the applications of radius of curvatures are engineering and design. Engineers use the radius of curvature to design curved structures like roads, bridges, and pipelines. It ensures the proper curvature for stability, safety, and efficient load distribution. In the figure, we can see a curve which has radius of curvature. In geometry and mathematics, the radius of curvature is a key parameter in defining curves and surfaces in differential geometry. It is used in calculus to study behavior of curves. And the next one is optics. In lens design, the radius of curvature is essential for shaping lens surfaces. It influences the focal length and optical properties of lenses. In physics, and the next one is in physics and engineering. In mechanics, the radius of curvature is crucial for analyzing curved surfaces and structures under stress. It is used in design of gears and other mechanical components. And the next one is in vehicle dynamics. In automotive engineering, the radius of curvature is considered in designing roads and determining safe turning radii for vehicles. And the last one is in astronomy. In celestial mechanics, it means in satellite mechanics, the radius of curvature is to describe the curvature of planetary orbits. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.